PowerFilm, we are passionate about making the highest quality solar solutions on the market. PowerFilm has a deep expertise in the solar industry. From this expertise, we have really been focused on understanding customer requirements and designing to customer requirements.
And the reason we do that is to be efficient in the engineering of that custom product for your application, to save both your company time on the development end and our company time on getting you the right solution.
PowerFilm's engineering and scientific team has a combined 200 years of experience in the solar industries. This experience has given us a lot of insight into what things work well with solar and what things do not work well.
We've worked on custom solutions for every application, from solar modules on the top of Mount Everest and everywhere in between. The experience and the technologies that we've seen come and go from the rest of the solar industry, we've worked with all of those.
This allows us to really understand and deliver the most efficient solution. It also decreases the amount of risk for our customers.
The more efficient we are in getting your design done, the more efficient you will be in getting to market.
Being a custom solution provider, the most important thing we do is provide the right solution to our customers.
By offering essentially a portfolio of solar technologies, be it amorphous, crystalline, or gallium arsenide.
Having these three technologies to offer really gives us an advantage of being able to look at each application and offer the best solution for our customers' needs. PowerFilm is really quality focused. Part of this quality focus is ensuring that the products meet both electrical and cosmetic specifications.
We also 100% test every single unit that leaves our factory. We can bring forth, with our engineering expertise, a solution that will guarantee your product will always work.
We are ready to take your products to the next level with custom solar design.